Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today we're coming at you with this week's new releases. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first is we do have some character stickers for this week. The first one here is a little Na'vi avatar character. I thought this would be good for marking the next movie or marking the other movie or going to Disney and going to, it's not Avatar World. What is it called? I don't even know now. I'm blanking on it. Anyways, then we also have new Scribblers this week holding takeout bags. I think I actually used one of these recently in a plan with me that I made custom for myself. So you have the normal FAMs all the way through 6, and these are perfect for marking takeout or even grocery shopping, anything that could be in like a brown bag, lunches, you name it. So those would be available Wednesday at noon Eastern as well. We're continuing on the doodles that were requested. I mentioned in Facebook if anybody had any hex colors that they would like to see made into doodles, and this was one of the 12. I just did the first 12 that popped up, so really excited about this one for fall. It's like a really nice like burnt orangey red color, and it's in the same 10 sheets as per usual, and there is a buy all bundle discount. The foil bundle this week is the extras from, I believe, the July mystery, the movie in the backyard one. So it is the, I always forget, this is the sprinkle? No, I should know this. Sparkle, yes. Sparkle format in rose. So a really nice basic to have on hand. I'm actually going to grab a bunch more of these whenever I go into work. So you have your 6 full boxes here and your glitter headers. You get 2 pages of those, 2 pages of the bougie boxes, the icons and scripts, and then the fancy headers, 15mm overlays, deco, and date numbers. Again, a perfect one to have on hand to add on to your rose collection. It's just a vibe this year for me, rose. I feel like I had a love for it years ago, and then I just kind of like moved into like a hollow phase, and now I'm back into like the rose, the matte bronze, the matte silver. I just don't know what it is about it. I just love it. Then we have another D-stash pack for this week. Y'all have been loving these, and I think the only one that didn't sell out was the last one we did. So if those are still available, I'll move those, and I think they might actually still be new releases. But this one is more limited, and this one is a D-stash cello, and this is the 10 old format foil bundles. So this has 10 foil bundles that are no longer in shop. Or wait, are these the ones in shop? I think they're in shop. Yes. So not the discontinued foil bundles, but the ones that are in shop. So the old ones. So not these format, this format. So these are still in shop, but this is a bundle of 10 random ones. So this is going to be $19.95 for the 10. So it's about $2 per bundle, which is a great deal. And this is just an example of what you could get. So let me go ahead and go through it. So first one here is the Gold Hollow Confetti Star. And then you have the Blossom in the Sparkly Hollow. There's this like shattered gold hollow, the Blossom in hollow, snow in gold, sparkly green, stars, sparkly pink, hearts in gold, this is like a matte taupe, whimsical bow, and then also this here is a champagne lights, I believe, gold in stars. So this is an example, and like all of our D-stash bundles, if you order more than one, we can't guarantee that there'll be a difference between. There are different variations, but like whenever we get down to the bottom of them, they are like pre-packaged. And also this is a good one though, if you did end up with multiples, you can use like multiple foil bundles. I feel like it's easier to use multiple of the same foil bundles versus multiple of the same kits. So again, this is going to be very limited, so available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And then let's get into the kits for this week. So let's go through the fall one first. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And this is a like fall home kit. So let's go ahead and go through this. I wanted to do something that was like fall home and neutral. Also could be used in place of like a Thanksgiving kit. We do have a Thanksgiving custom coming that's super, super cute, but this is just kind of like something to keep in the back burner if you don't love that or whatever other Thanksgiving art comes to the shop. This is kind of a nice alternative, but something that I think can also be used like fall, but also kind of gives me like January feels as well because it's very cozy. So you have your full boxes here with lots of really cute elements. I love the like modern neutral colorway of this. I think this is a great one if you wanted to use the matte bronze, matte silver mixed metal, or it could be something gold, silver, rose. You could do regular matte bronze. You could do the matte taupe, like the one from the old foil bundles. There is lots and lots of options for this one, but I personally think that the winner for me would be the matte bronze, matte silver, and shimmer. That's just such a good one. I've been obsessed with it. I did use it in my foodie spread if you want to check that out. And then there are additional boxes here. So lots of boxes in this kit. It also does come in a mini kit. Of course, all of the kits this week do come in ultimate and mini. So here is the oopsie daisies, the ultimate, the mini, and then let me go through the add-on options. There is the Doodles, the functional, the fashion, the label, and then also the ombre if you want to add any of those on. Then let's move into more of these spookier kits. This one here is called Fangs. It is super, super dark and moody. Probably one of the darkest kits we've ever done as far as colors go. But I am obsessed. I think that, and I always say this whenever there's a dark kits plus foil is just like everything. I am just obsessed with the way that the contrast of shiny foil looks with dark kits. So for me, I think this would look amazing just with silver. Or if you wanted to do a matte silver, or if you wanted to do the matte bronze, matte silver shimmer, again, that would look really cute. Or if you wanted to dip into like a darker color, like a magenta or a black even. We have sparkly black. We have the black with like the squares in it. We have just so much stuff that this would look so good with. So I love this scene here, this like super, super spooky like cemetery scene. I just love the way it was done. Fashion boxes. Oh, it's just so stinking cute. So the colors here are a really dark purple, a like charcoaly, almost like black kind of color, a deeper red, and a deep blue. Just so, so good. And again, I want to know what y'all are going to pick for the foil for this one down below because I just feel like there's so many good options. I love this extra box here, and I love the like houndstooth pattern in the bottom washi. So trendy, so cute. And then the extra boxes is the extra double scene of the bedroom. So love that. That is Fangs. And again, so many foil options for that one. Oh, it's just so pretty. So again, that one does come in an ultimate. It comes in a mini. And let me go through the add-on options. There is the Doodles, the functional. There is 2 different fashion options. Both are not in the kit. So you have fashion 1 and fashion 2. And then there is also the label sampler and the ombre heart checklist. So that is Fangs. And then last but not least, I'm so obsessed with this kit. Another one where the foil options are literally limitless, especially with how fun these colors are. But if you wanted to stick to something safe, I feel like you could do silver, you could do hollow, you could do sparkly hollow, you could do lavender hollow, you could do lavender hollow mixed, hollow, sparkly hollow mixed. But I feel like this is definitely the opportunity to use something fun or use black sparkly be really, really cute with this. Anything celestial be really cute with this. Our new Halloween foil we just debuted, grab some of that in like sparkly hollow and mix it with something else. Perfection. But I'm obsessed. You could go pink, you could go purple, you could go blue. So many different things. This is Zombina. Is that how you say it? Zombina? I think so. But I just love this. It is so cute. As Jess was starting to sneak these on Instagram, I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's so cute. And I love this theme. I just haven't seen anything like it. And I love, 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 love the colors here, your extra boxes. Again, I just think this would look so cute if you wanted to go like basic with like hollow, sparkly hollow, that kind of vibe. Or if you wanted to do something like a sparkly black would be really cool. The black with the prism. There is, I pulled it out in another video too. There's this old format one that's still in shop. that's like stars, and it would actually look good with this kit too, I think. Let me show you this one. This one's the star format, and it has like confetti in it, but I think it would look good with either of these kits as well, and it's old format, so it's like heavily discounted. So I brought home 3 extra of those, so that's a good one to have on hand, especially during spooky season. But I love this. Actually, whenever I like opened the files for this, my favorite thing about this kit was actually the patterns. I just thought that they were so good, like all of them, even the ones that I didn't use, because I usually only use tops of 6, maybe 7 patterns, and usually I think Jess has 12, maybe 10 or 12, I don't know, but they were all so stinking good, and I was obsessed with all of them, so it was really hard to pick. And I love this one for the bottom washi. You have a slight like gradient here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's like darker and then lighter. An extra box here, and I'm just in love with this. I just think it looks so good, and it's just such a fun opportunity to kind of play around with foils. This is the freebie in the Ultimate and Mini, which is the tall box with the jukebox on there, which is so cute. So that is the Ultimate kit. It also does come in the Mini. And then let me show you the add-on options. So cute. So you have the Doodles, the Functional, the Ombre, the Label Sampler, and then the Label 2, which is the orange color. So that is everything for this week. I'm like looking around like, is it everything for this week? I'm not sure if it's everything for this week, but I hope y'all love it. I'm very excited to be deep into the spooky and fall season. I wish the weather would catch up to the sticker world, because it is hot here. In Texas, it's like 105 every day, and I am just ready for cool weather. I've never been that person who wants it to be hot, so I am ready for it to cool down. So I start using these kits, feel all cozy inside. But other than that, I will talk to y'all in my next one.